Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. I have a question to ask you. Do ancient aliens really exist? Well, I don't think so. But up next, we will review this AMT Ertl alien kit. Now, it is the repop from the 1979 MPC alien kit. So, stay tuned and we will answer that question whether or not ancient aliens exist. So this is the AMT Ertl alien kit from 1999. It is a repop from the original MPC alien kit from 1979. This is kit number 396. Let's look at the box art. H.R. Geiger designed the alien. Quite frightful when I first saw it at the movies. Look at the box art. Skill level 3. Alright, let's open this up. This one already came open, so nothing in it. Kit instructions. Typical AMT Ertl. Assemble the head, telescoping teeth, the arm, the body or torso, put that all together, and in 4 easy steps, the model is complete. Here's the parts as they're laid out. I'll pull them out of the box and we'll look at them individually.
That we can compare modern achievements with stories from our ancient past. And so if today we're able to create a two-headed dog with 6 legs, is it possible that a similar creature existed thousands of years ago? And I say yes.
Look at the body, torso first. Here's the backside. And here's those creepy, dangly things that go off the backside of the alien. Next are the arms and the tail. and the telescoping teeth. Next is the head and parts of the tail, it looks like. And the clear part for the head. It's not completely clear, it is hazed over a little bit. This is what I think they want. But to give it that extra sheen, I will dip it in future. That was the A&T Ertl Alien Kit. 1/6 scale. Stands over 9 inches tall. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more model kit reviews and builds right here on SMKR. Take care, everybody.